That's good. Transition. Really consistent. You can hear him banging away. The blue with the orange track goes to that. Goes off the wall. Straight away. Easy racing roller. Put to work there with that flex.
Yeah.
Brings him around that final clip, but does not. He actually
his
just hits it with that
right
left
there,
tire.
chilling right in the middle. Look at that. His bumper's right there. Yeah.
Well, I was really excited to see Sebastian join the series.
I think that's a smart decision. He knows that how much he went and worked and put blood, sweat, and tears into this car. After that, look at that, that's a great execution. You can see him pull him off the wall. And around that final clip, Reeder, our Pro 2 champion, gaining some...
That was dope. We're back at Long Beach. We came out here to check out the Formula Drift. They just be coming out of nowhere, huh? For real.
This bitch in half.
I love it.
Let me see that shit. Damn, get in that shit. Open that bitch up.
Oh.
Let me see those guts.
Look at that fucking pineapple.
Damn, that bitch is tight.
Oh.
Ooh, icy. Potato fries.
I'm a child, so I got mac and cheese and pineapple. I know mac and cheese. I got a burger.
Target trophy, fuck yeah.
Oh.
Alright guys, we're pulling up. Oh, look at that Corvette, bro. We're walking to the events. The cars are really loud and it smells like some of them are E85, yeah? Yeah, some of them are running coin for sure. But check this out, the Silva. Yeah, this is pretty tight, dude. Again, we're at the Long Beach Formula Drift. Left side?
I have no clue.
That looks like the entrance. Where's the box office? Hi. Where do we buy the tickets at?
The tickets is like below the Beverly only together. There's a window.
Okay, sweet. Thank you. Alright, Nick, what you got right there in your hand?
Got the Friday sneak peek.
Friday sneak peek, round one. Let's get it. For you guys that are coming for tomorrow, where you want to come to buy your tickets, it's the advanced tickets sales. So basically, what you're gonna be coming from over there, most likely. You come up this way. Obviously, you make your first right once you see the little roses in the middle, the Pacific Ballroom. So on the right side of the Pacific Ballroom, that's where the ticket sales are. And yeah, I definitely recommend going there first, because then you're gonna walk all the way up to the check-in. They're gonna check your bags, and then you realize you're not gonna have your tickets, and you're gonna come all the way back. so definitely come here first and head over that way. Dunkin' Donuts. Dunkin'. You're not down to dunk your car, Nick? Yes. Dunkin' Donuts. So for those that don't know what Dunkin' means, Dunkin's when you put these big ass rims on this car and make it basically dunk. You make it lip like that. But these tires are baldies, they're cracked. So let's go look around and see what's good around here. Got that engine bay. So this is, looks like it's all carbon. That's nutty. Yeah, I'll buy a t-shirt here if I find one. Yeah. Is there any?
Buy one now. That.
This is
Well, no, let me go look around and stuff. We haven't looked at the event. Oh, they got a Ford Star. Yeah, these are freaking dope. These ones are nice.
Yeah, those are nice. That's dangerous though.
Dude, this is a R34 engine.
Holy shit.
The RB26. So dope. This thing's fast for sure.
Yeah.
This thing is fast. Yeah. Dude, look at the seats. Almost what? Oh, my bad, bro. Ooh. Exhaust. Dude, look at this one right here, dude.
Yeah.
3 shots. Oh, that Porsche is getting the look.
It's got the Michelin's, bro.
Yeah, that Porsche. The GT3.